Hello people, it is 7 in the morning and we are rushing off now because Ayush has to go away. But Ayush, will you miss the rabbits? At least the rabbits.
Yes.
He doesn't seem to ever miss me, this crazy kid. That's why he
Bunny.
always cuts the call. But this Bunny, as you can see, has a busy schedule and he's very media shy. He doesn't like the paparazzi and he would rather not. And he's looking at me like, old lady, why don't you let me be? Why I love you so much. And we have to give them their food. And they ate up all the mango. So we'll eat again mango, Raja. What will eat? Papa. Whoa. So it's a 30-second video. I'll catch you all in my next video. So on that note, thanks for watching.
And have a rat
And please subscribe and thank you for checking out Ayush's channel. So many people saw that video that says Ayush has a new channel. And our rabbit is also rushing to go and check his YouTube channel. So we'll catch you all soon enough. So thanks people, thanks for watching and please subscribe.